Today we're going to be talking about current carrying wires and what happens when they either attract each other or repel each other. So we have two different scenarios. We have two current carrying wires that are parallel, and they both have a radius, so they have an equal length separated between them, and we have each of them has a current going upwards through them. So we have I1 and I2, and we know that by the right hand rule it means that the magnetic field is going to be going this way, and then for this one it's going to be going that way. So this is when they attract each other, and both of them have L length. And so this is if they attract. But if they repel, they would still have the same radius and the same length, but one would have their current going up, I1, and one would have it going down, I2. So this will mean that this goes this way, and this magnetic field goes this way, so they both repel each other. So now we're going to use this, and there's actually the equation for current carrying wires is F magnetic equals B, which is the magnetic field, times I, the current, and F, which is the length of the wires. So now we're going to apply this and do a sample problem. So we're going to do one where the two current carrying wires attract each other. So we have one right here, and its current is going to be, let's see, its current is going to be 5, and then this one is also going to have a current that is going to be 5 amps. And then the length of both of these wires is going to be 3 meters. And the magnetic field is told to us, and it said that the magnetic field is equal to 4.6 times 10 to the negative 5 teslas. So if we set up our equation, which is F magnetic equals 4.6 times 10 to the negative 5 times 3 times 5, and our attractive force between these two current carrying wires is going to be 6.9 times 10 to the negative 4. And that is our attractive force between these two current carrying wires who have the same magnetic field, and they're going to be going in the same direction, so they're going to attract each other. And that is how you solve for two parallel current carrying wires that attract.